AI is coming for more jobs than you think, and it's not slowing down. In our last video on this subject, we revealed 10 roles AI is expected to replace by 2030, and the response was huge. Today, we're going deeper, revealing 10 more jobs AI will replace by 2030, and for some of these, the numbers are even more shocking, so let's get into it. Number 1. Interpreters and translators with 2 to 4 million global jobs at risk. Once real-time language translation required years of training and human expertise. Now, AI-powered tools like Google Translate, DeepL, and Microsoft's AI Translator can instantly convert spoken or written language between dozens of languages with remarkable accuracy. Advances in natural language processing mean these systems are no longer just translating words, they're interpreting tone, context, and cultural nuances. For global travel, business meetings, and even live broadcasts, human interpreters are increasingly being replaced by AI-driven devices and apps. By 2030, millions of interpreter and translator roles could disappear, especially in industries where speed and cost matter more than human nuance. Number 2. Historians and archivists with 500,000 to 1 million global jobs at risk. The work of preserving, cataloging, and analyzing historical records is shifting. AI can scan, interpret, and categorize vast archives of documents, photos, and media faster than any human team. Tools that use machine learning are now capable of restoring damaged images, transcribing handwritten documents, and even cross-referencing sources to uncover hidden historical connections. While human expertise will still be valued in interpreting meaning and cultural significance, much of the routine cataloging, sorting, and data analysis could be handled entirely by AI. For many smaller museums, libraries, and archives, this could mean fewer staff and more automation. Number 3. Passenger attendants with 1 to 2 million global jobs at risk. From check-in counters to ticket scanning, many passenger service roles in airports, train stations, and ferry terminals are already being replaced by self-service kiosks and AI-assisted systems. Airlines are experimenting with biometric boarding, automated baggage handling, and AI-driven passenger information systems that remove the need for human attendance in many areas. While certain high-end travel experiences will still keep human staff for customer service, the majority of everyday passenger processing is heading toward automation. By 2030, millions of these roles could vanish, especially in regions adopting large-scale transport automation. Number 4. Receptionists with 4 to 5 million global jobs at risk. AI-powered phone systems and smart virtual assistants are quickly taking over the duties of traditional receptionists. From answering calls to scheduling appointments, and even greeting visitors via interactive kiosks, these systems operate 24/7 without breaks or salaries. Many companies now use AI chatbots that can handle complex queries, integrate with calendars, and route calls instantly. Even in physical office buildings, AI systems paired with facial recognition can identify visitors and notify the relevant staff no human needed. By 2030, receptionist roles could be one of the most visibly replaced positions in customer-facing industries. Number 5. Library technicians and assistants with 500,000 to 1 million global jobs at risk. Library work has already been transformed by digitization, but AI is accelerating the change. Automated cataloging systems can classify books, tag metadata, and manage inventory without human input. Self-checkout kiosks allow patrons to borrow and return books instantly, while AI-powered search tools can help users find materials faster than a human assistant ever could. Even behind the scenes, AI can automatically manage acquisitions, suggest relevant titles, and recommend personalized reading lists. By 2030, the quiet hum of libraries may be less about human assistance and more about AI silently running the show. Number 6. Broadcast announcers and radio DJs with 0.3 to 0.5 million jobs at risk. Radio and live broadcasting used to be the realm of charismatic human hosts. Now, AI-generated voices can host entire radio shows, read news bulletins, and even take song requests all in real time. Some stations have already experimented with fully AI-generated presenters that listeners can't tell apart from humans. These AI DJs can adapt their tone to match the mood, pull from massive music libraries instantly, and operate around the clock without fatigue. As streaming platforms grow and AI voices become indistinguishable from real ones, traditional announcers and DJs may become rare, niche roles rather than the industry standard. Number 7. Bank tellers with 2 to 3 million global jobs at risk. The role of a bank teller is quickly fading as AI-powered ATMs, mobile banking apps, and chatbots handle most customer transactions. From depositing checks to applying for loans, customers can now complete the majority of banking tasks without stepping inside a branch. AI fraud detection systems can instantly flag suspicious transactions, and virtual assistants can answer financial queries around the clock. By 2030, many banks may operate with minimal or no in-person teller staff, shifting entirely toward digital-first customer service. Number 8. Journalists and news reporters with 2 to 3 million global jobs at risk. Not all journalism will be replaced by AI, but routine reporting such as sports scores, weather updates, or financial summaries is already being automated. AI tools can gather data, write coherent articles, and publish them online in seconds, removing the need for a human reporter in certain niches. Some news agencies are even experimenting with AI to draft breaking news stories as events unfold, leaving human journalists to focus on investigative and opinion-based work. By 2030, a large portion of straightforward reporting could be entirely machine-generated. Number 9. Photo editors with 1 to 2 million global jobs at risk. AI-powered editing software can now crop, color correct, and even retouch images automatically. Tools like Adobe's generative fill or AI background removal can complete tasks that once took human editors hours in just seconds. While high-end creative editing will still require human skill, the bulk of routine photo touch-ups for e-commerce, real estate, or social media marketing can now be automated. By 2030, many companies may see no need to hire human photo editors for basic projects. Number 10. Insurance underwriters with 1 to 2 million global jobs at risk. Insurance underwriters are the people who decide whether or not an insurance company should take on a risk and at what price. Traditionally, they've relied on a mix of statistical models, industry guidelines, and their own professional judgment to make these calls. But AI is now able to do that faster and often more accurately. By instantly analyzing years of historical data, market conditions, and even emerging risk factors, AI systems can generate policy recommendations in seconds. They don't get tired, they don't make calculation mistakes, and they can adjust their risk models in real time as new data comes in. For insurers, this means huge cost savings and faster customer service, but for human underwriters, it's a serious threat. We could see millions of these jobs disappear by 2030 as insurance companies automate more of their approval processes. So, there you have it. 10 more jobs that could disappear by 2030 thanks to AI. From receptionists to journalists, the AI revolution isn't slowing down, and no industry is completely safe from automation. But remember, every job that disappears also creates opportunities for new ones. The question is, will you adapt or be left behind? If you haven't already, check out our other video, How AI Will Replace These 10 Jobs by 2030. It covers the first wave of jobs at risk, and you'll want to see how your career stacks up against the future of automation. Before you go, drop a comment below and tell us, which of these jobs surprised you the most? And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.